Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're diving into what we believe to be the best Sesame Street straws on the market, the 100-pack green and white paper drinking straws. These straws stand out not only because of their fun green and white striped design but also for their eco-friendly and practical qualities that make them perfect for any occasion. Each pack contains 100 paper straws, measuring 7.75 inches in length and 0.25 inches in diameter, making them an ideal size for most containers like bottles, cans, mason jars, and more. Whether you're serving cold lemonade or hot coffee, these straws are built to hold up without falling apart or melting, which is a common problem with other paper straws. They are made of food-grade paper and BPA-free ink, ensuring safety and no odd taste when sipping your favorite beverage. One of the key features of these straws is that they are 100% biodegradable and compostable. They break down naturally, even in a backyard compost, which is a huge win for anyone looking to reduce plastic waste. The packaging itself is also earth-friendly. No plastic in sight, just premium cardboard that keeps your straws safe during shipping and is better for the planet. These straws aren't just functional, they're versatile too. Their festive green and white color makes them perfect for holiday celebrations, like Christmas and Thanksgiving, as well as birthday parties, weddings, pool parties, barbecues, and everyday use. Beyond drinks, you can even use them for crafts or as cake pop sticks, adding a creative touch to your events. Durability is another strong point. These are 3-layer thick paper straws that have been tested for strength and sturdiness, lasting hours in both hot and cold liquids without disintegrating. This means you get the eco-friendliness without compromising on quality or user experience. The straws come in a neat, sturdy paper box that is easy to store and transport. You won't find individual wrappers here, which helps reduce waste even further, but the packaging does ensure the straws arrive in perfect condition. In summary, if you're looking for an environmentally responsible, durable, and stylish option for your drinking straws, this 100-pack of green and white paper straws hits all the marks. They are practical for daily use, party-ready with their fun design, and kind to the planet with their biodegradable materials and plastic-free packaging. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns. See you next time.